What's up, everybody? It's Feets here. Scrapping these ancient voicemail systems. I've opened up 2 so far, and looky what I found. Some high-grade ceramic chips. Not bad, considering I have 1, 2, 3 more to open. This is what I found so far in the 2 that I have opened. Nice hard drives, floppy drives, boards of various descriptions with gold fingers on them, plated, some nice chips. Some motherboards. Nice. This joker's pretty heavy. And I got 3 more to open. Updates to come. Here's a funny story. See that right there? It says PMS, which stands for Property Management System. Well, one time a female manager called in to complain about her voicemail system, and my dad's business partner told her it was her PMS, and she hung up on him. Okay, well, here's the chips from the 4 voicemails. Not a bad haul, except a little crappy one here. And there's all the other junk stuff, scrapables. I'm gonna have a busy evening. Woohoo! See ya.